What's up, guys? This is CJ from CJ's Keto Kitchen. So this is another one of those quick keto meal ideals or quick keto videos showing you what we eat kind of on a regular basis for keto. So what do I have in my hand? I have a zucchini, and I am going to go over to my fancy spiralizer. Now this is actually a Wolfgang Puck spiralizer that I got off of I don't know, one of the online shopping things, but you can get them online. We actually have a handheld one as well, but I wanted to put this on video because if you don't have a spiralizer, whether it be electric or a handheld one, you definitely need to get it if you're doing keto or low carb. So here we go. Okay, so you see it's making, and this is actually not doing as well. This should be coming out in a ribbon, but part of the trick to using one of these, that's what I was looking for. Oh, it's kind of coming out in a spiral, is to try to get zucchini that are straight. But anyway, if you don't, that's okay. But this is really cool to have, a cool device to have in your kitchen. We'll put some links to a couple that we have, because I have an electric one, but I also have a handheld one that works perfectly fine. Dinner ideal videos. So that is a zucchini, probably a medium-sized zucchini, and then I'm going to pair that with some pork loin, and voila, you have dinner. So again, this is a pretty quick meal. I spiralized those vegetables. I had already cooked the pork loin chops earlier, and again, this is just a quick meal. This is actually my first meal today because we started doing intermittent fasting. So it's 6 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything today. Excuse the camera work. My 9-year-old is my camera person tonight, and she's having a lot of fun. Anyway, thanks for watching CJ's Keto Kitchen. Peace out.